Let's head to Writing Profile. Toolbox reads all the writing you produce and assembles all that information into a handy profile of you as a writer.
It's a snapshot of your writing skills and abilities. All the information works the same way. Click on a tile and it flips over to reveal more information.
Yeah, and we've assembled some of the key things, so you can see your average sentence length. That's important. You don't want that to be too long.
That is important. Mastery is your command over a range of sentence styles. Once you have written each sentence style 10 or more times, your pen will change colour. You can see your spelling accuracy and your word count.
Writing strength is an overall measure of your writing quality. You are going to use this a lot in Toolbox. Every piece you write on Toolbox gets a score.
That's right. The number that you see here is all of the pieces together as an average.
You can see your top sentence style and the one Toolbox thinks you need to master next. Click on the link to learn more about it.
Paragraphs is your average paragraph length, including where you should be aiming. Your average number of sentence styles per paragraph, that's fluency. Precision is how precise you are when you go to write, in your use of specifics.
And you can see the videos you have watched and how many modules you have completed.
The other useful page from this screen is your sentence graph. If you'd like to see what sentences you're using in your writing, have a look.